Imagine a future where death is no longer the end. A future where human consciousness transcends biology. Instead of fading away, our minds could be uploaded into vast digital landscapes that mimic reality. In these simulated worlds, we might walk again, inhabiting lifelike avatars still able to contribute to the physical world. The concept of mind uploading holds a powerful allure. But what would it actually take to make that dream real? At the core, we'd need to do two extraordinary things. First, capture every detail of a human brain, then recreate that detail digitally with precision. But before we scan anything, we have to understand what exactly needs to be scanned. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, interconnected by over 100 trillion synapses. These intricate networks form our thoughts, our memories, our very sense of self. The full map of these connections is known as the connectome. And today, we haven't even come close to mapping it completely. There's more complexity than just the number of connections. Each synapse can behave slightly differently. Some transmit signals faster. Others adapt and grow through learning. And these are just the obvious connections. Some neurons release neurotransmitters that spread widely, affecting entire networks at once. To replicate a mind, we'd need to understand every one of these diverse interactions in detail. Beyond neurons, there are glial cells, a type of brain cell that may outnumber neurons 10 to 1. Once thought to merely support neurons, glia are now believed to play a role in information processing. They may even send their own signals, modifying how messages are sent across the brain. This means we're still discovering what really defines a mind and what elements are crucial to replicate. So let's say someday we figure that out. The next step? Scanning the brain at an unimaginable level of detail. Today's best brain scans using MRI achieve resolutions of about 0.5 millimeter, but to see a single synapse clearly, we'd need to scan at a resolution of just 1 micron to truly capture synapse types and strengths. Even higher precision would be necessary. Unfortunately, MRI technology doesn't cut it. Getting that detailed would require magnetic fields strong enough to cook a human body. So if scanning the living brain isn't an option, what about scanning after death? Electron microscopes might do the job, but they destroy the tissue in the process. In short, no current technology can safely scan a brain at the level required to upload a mind. Suppose we overcome that. We learn what to scan, and we invent the tools to do it. The final hurdle? Reconstructing that data in a functioning digital form. That would require immense computing power and storage capacity, both of which are improving rapidly each year. In fact, we're progressing faster in computing than in understanding how our own brains work. Artificial neural networks already assist our lives. From smart assistants to self-driving cars to financial systems, nobody's built a system with 86 billion neurons yet. But with time, it may be possible to handle such scale. Still, precision matters. If the upload misses even a few key details, the resulting mind may be corrupted or unrecognizable. Mind uploading, while possible in theory, is likely centuries away in practice. And even if we can do it, should we? There are profound ethical questions to consider. Who would get access to this technology? Would digital minds have legal rights? Could they be exploited, controlled, or even erased? The technology holds both promise and peril, and its arrival would reshape what it means to be human. Perhaps one day we'll walk between two worlds, biological and digital, side by side. But until then, mind uploading remains a profound mystery waiting to be unraveled.